This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPad. So this one is for my Series X. I think it's like an Elite controller or something like that. Very good controller. And let's go over to settings. Tap this, go to Bluetooth. Then under here we want to go to the Bluetooth settings. Just make sure this is turned on. It's automatically searching for devices to connect to. Now with the Xbox controller we want to turn it on first before we try syncing it. Now the only problem is this might turn on your Xbox, and it's not connected to any devices, so this light is blinking if it's just a solid color. Press this light on the press this button on the top, hold this down, and that will put it into the Bluetooth syncing mode. And you can see I can just tap the controller right here, and then go to pair. It should be connected to my iPad now. You can see it's connected on the top there, and I'm able to use this up and down now and start playing games with my iPad. So we can just go to my controller, tap this, and forget this device if we want to bring it to another device a little bit easier. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.